Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix laptop battery draining too fast in Windows 10 or 11. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you want to fix your issue which is your battery is draining too fast, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try, you just have to click on this symbols here to open your quick center, and now from here you just have to decrease your brightness of your PC up to 50%. And then you have to also enable energy saver to save your battery. Now once you have done, just go to your settings. Once you are in settings, just go to system and then go to power and battery. Click on it. Now once you are here, you just have to select power mode and then select on battery. You have to select best power efficiency. Now, when you're plugged in, you can select best performance to get better performance here. Now, once you have done, just scroll down, and here you must see lid power and sleep button controls. Now, on lid, you have to make sure that you have selected hibernate. Now, whenever you will close the lid of your PC, it will hibernate your PC and it will consume less battery. Now, once you have done, you just have to go to apps and then go to startup apps. Click on startup, and here you have to make sure that you have disabled this toggle for unnecessary app if you might have any unnecessary app. So you can disable this toggle to disable their startup on when your PC starts. Now, once you have done, you just have to go back and here go to Task Manager. Just go to search and simply search for Task Manager. Now, once you are in Task Manager, you just have to check which one of your apps is using more CPU and network. So you just have to make sure if you have here, if you find here any app using more of your CPU, so just right click on it, click on end task. It will completely close that app from your foreground and background. Now once you have done, you have to simply open your CMD. Just search for CMD here. Right click on this command prompt, click on run as administrator, click on yes from prompting window. Now in this section you have to enter command which is power CFG space slash battery report. Press enter from your keyboard. It will check your battery life. So if you might see any problem here, so you can try to exchange your Windows or your PC and your laptop's battery, and after that you might not have that issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.